It has officially been 5 months since I went to Turkey and got myself a hair transplant, so let me give you guys a little update on how everything's going. Correction, in 2 days, it'll be 5 months since the transplant, but who's counting? Well, I am, but anyway. So this is what I looked like the day after the operation, where the head was very raw. I had just gotten the hair transplant, and this is what I looked like 2 months after the operation, when I decided to shave the sides off because I had nothing on the top. I was literally bald. And since then, I have seen a lot of growth. A lot of my native hair has come back and really strengthened up with the hair routine that I use. But in terms of the transplant itself, I don't believe I've seen extreme growth yet. Now, they say it takes 4 to 6 months before you begin to see results from a hair transplant, so everyone's a little bit different, and it takes up to a year for you to see your full results. And at this point, I think maybe we have some hair on the hairline here coming in, and if we look and we spread this very thin area, we can see little dots, very little dots that are starting to poke through, very ever so slightly. Now, I will say, being me, being the person going through all of this, being patient in this time is, golly, a very tough situation. I just want the hair to come in at this point so bad, and I can't wait, and I'm so excited, but it's all part of the process, man. I'm excited and trust the process. That's the point of it all. I mean, just as of right now, it's looking pretty decent. It's looking pretty good with the native hair, with the hair routine, but unfortunately, like I said, not much to show in terms of the transplant yet. I'm sure it'll come in soon. I'm sure within the next 2 months, we're really gonna see some growth. Now, this dotty hair that you see slightly poking through right now, if I don't shake, sorry guys, this hair is going to grow out of the scalp. It's going to be very thin at first, and then it's going to thicken up over time. I'm just excited to document and show you guys the results as it comes. This is what the donor area is looking like. Remember, the back is going to be thinner-ish because that is where I did not get the transplant. I will be getting that next year, all part of the plan. I didn't want to butcher my head and do it all in one. But in terms of the donor area itself, where they took all the grafts, it looks perfect. It looks exactly how it looked before I got a transplant. You can't even tell anything's missing. I will say, I know I need a haircut right now. I need a haircut very bad, but I wanted to have it a little grown out just for this video to kind of show you guys what it's looking like. I usually like to trim it at the beginning of the month, considering the sides grow quicker than the top right now, as everything's still coming in and the operation is still bringing me all the results that I need to see. In terms of what I've been doing to make sure I maximize my results so far, is I've just been continuing with my hair routine every single day. I've been using finasteride, minoxidil, rosemary oil, my DHT blocking shampoo, everything I need to do every day as this progress develops. I cannot wait to see it come in, as I will be continuing the hair routine no matter what, all the time. But when it comes in, I'm gonna feel a lot better. Just knowing that that it's there. So it's really just a time game. I'm just waiting, and I'm giving you guys the updates as it goes. I've also been getting a lot of comments of people that want to be on the same hair routine as me. As you guys know, before I got a hair transplant, I was just doing a hair routine for a year, and I went from being completely bald to getting a bunch of results with just the hair routine. But unfortunately, I had lost so many follicles that it wasn't possible at that point, because that was such an extreme case that I had to get a hair transplant. But like I said, man, if I'd started when I was 18 on just a hair routine, I would not have even had to get a hair transplant in general. So I would like to mention, because a big thing about my hair routine is I'm on some pretty expensive stuff that is for your hair, because since I was such an extreme case, I wanted the best stuff out there. This finasteride makes it so you literally do not have side effects. You have a less than 1% chance to have side effects, compared to the pill, which is what most people do have side effects on, if you even have side effects. Even on the pill, it's a very low chance anyway. Same thing with the minoxidil I use. I use a minoxidil from Growplex. When I was on Rogaine, I was drying everywhere. My face was dry, so I had to get something that counteracts that, and Growplex has the natural ingredients in it that actually counteract any chance of side effects. I've been on this stuff for a year and a half, 0 side effects. Least of worries in the world for me. I got some codes for you guys from these people in case you guys want to test it out. So the code for finasteride, the finasteride that I use, you can get 50% off if you use this code right here. And this is only running for a limited time, so just get it if you want, try it out, see if it works for you. And Growplex, I'm pretty sure if you use code Chrishairjourney, actually my name, you'll get 10% off. I'm not 100% sure, but someone test that out and try it for me. I was looking at my dashboard, and it said if I tell you guys to use code Chrishairjourney, you will get the percentage off. So I'm pretty sure it works. If not, let me know, and I can talk to some people, but I'm pretty sure it works. Give it a shot. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling good, feeling great. I cannot wait for this to thicken up. Oh, it's going to feel great when it does. Thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate it so much. You guys are the best. Talk soon.